up? It's me, Keon here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And this is the last Play-Doh egg video for now, at least, until I get a new haul of toys. So, yeah, so we only have the Mohawk frog remaining. And if you guys don't know what I do, basically there's a piece of paper with a toy that I have to review or do something with. And, yeah, I have to listen to whatever that paper says. Oh, crap, it's already getting hard. Yeah. So let's just open this up. You guys should go watch my other Play-Doh egg videos. This white must have been getting hard too. I gotta keep moving this around. Sorry guys, I'm just monitoring my Play-Doh so it's still good enough for me to play with for more future Play-Doh videos. Also, I'm just gonna go away from the camera 1 second to put this white back in the container where it belongs, so we don't have any Play-Doh malfunctions. I actually need all of these over here. So, yeah. So yeah, like I said, go watch the other ones for more explanation. This is the last one, so let's just open this all up. I actually know what this is because it's the last one remaining. This is the one that I messed up with. Okay, let's see if we can read it. Not too hard. I'm gonna try to improve the lighting. This is gonna be a kind of long video, I believe. So I'm just gonna try and rip it open, and then we'll see what we can get out of it. Okay. Basically, it's a Shopkins PlayDoh challenge. This thing wouldn't open, so that was kind of a fail. But it's a Shopkins PlayDoh challenge. If you guys don't, well, I kind of made this up. Kind of Kitty's mama did this, but it's my own version. Basically, I have I have like 5 Shopkins here in this egg. I'm gonna pick one of them, closing my eyes, and I have these 4 Play-Doh cans to do them with. I kind of picked Shopkins that I could do with these colors. So yeah, don't judge. So what I will be doing is just shaking these up in this egg. Also, I have 5 minutes to make it. Alright, I'm looking away, I promise. Alright, which one did we pick? We got crispy crackers. If you guys wanted to know what the other ones were, this one is Fasta Pasta. This one is Betty Boot. So I'm just going to try to put these back while I'm doing this. He always falls in the pantry, guy. Like, could you not? This one is Squeaky Clean. And this one here is Ma Kettle. I would have liked to get this one because this one's pretty straightforward. Alright. So the one we will have to be doing is crispy crackers. And what I have here to do, I have a cup, a fork, and a knife, and these 4 colors. So I'm going to pick my colors, just yellow, and that one. And these don't have to be to scale. I'm just saying now, I won't be making them to scale. Also, I have a rolling pin if I need. So, yeah. These don't need to be by scale. It's just for fun, so, yeah. So I'll be getting a little bit of blue here. Okay, so I'm going to have the timer start right at 4 minutes. I'm just going to be monitoring, so you guys can kind of monitor. I should end at 9 minutes. Okay, timer started. Or the countdown, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know. So I have to end at 9 minutes. Alright. So trying to be showing this on shot here. Alright. I'm not an artist. I'm not an artiste. Okay. So kind of got to roll it out like this. Okay. And you guys can rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 how well this is done. It's probably going to be around a 3, but it's okay. I'm no expert. I don't know what to commentate. I'm focusing. Straight cuts here. Perfect. That one's already fine. we have to do this as best as we can. Using my knife, by the way, from 99 Restaurant. Great meals, great deals. Please sponsor me. I love your food. I'm just kidding. Alright, so here's the model if you guys need to see it. I need to see it, so yeah, okay. So this is not turning out to be so easy at all. Why is it? Okay, that's fine. Now I need to make an arm. Little nub here. Okay. Alright. Perfect. For the eyeballs, I would just be using red. Just know that this is where I would have put the eyeballs. Just take a note to self. Okay. It's going to be a demon crispy crackers. Alright, we need this. We need some yellow out here. This is actually pretty nice, and I'm actually going to be doing another one of these, picking another character of my own right after this. So, yeah, it might not be uploaded right after, but just know that it's filmed right after. Alright, so we need about this much. Actually, probably a little bit more. Sorry, I'm just taking yellow Play-Doh out. Yeah, sorry if you guys can hear that yelling. I really apologize. Alright, so I'm done with the Play-Doh. Well, not the thingy, but the actual taking out of container. And then we're gonna take this thing. So I'm making the cracker in hand right now. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to begin making the thing in the middle here. I'm actually running out of time, so I kind of have to hurry up. So what we'll be doing is just like this. You guys should give me extra points for this detailing on the crackers. Okay, and then we can have little holes in it because that's how it looks like. I will be showing you guys close-up a comparison with them right next to each other at the end. Okay, I'm on the last home stretch here. 1 minute left. What are they gonna do? What am I gonna do? I think is a real question. Alright, so I'm gonna just stick some holes in here for some depth. Stick my knife in here. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm trying to create this little mountain of crackers at the top. Okay, looks good enough. Alright, time is down to the wire. Alright, we gotta go. I'm just gonna add little shoes here because he does have little shoes. Okay, I am done, and I have enough time, so done with time to spare. 10 seconds probably, so yeah. Alright, so we will do a close-up judging just in a bit. Just gotta put my Play-Doh away so it doesn't all dry out and crap. Alrighty, like I said, this is Demon Crispy Crackers. I don't have any black or white, so actually I have white, but Demon Crispy Crackers. And, alright, sorry about the screaming once again. My neighbors are really loud. Okay. Even though he's at my house, okay. So this is my crispy crackers. Can you guys even tell the difference? Like, let's be real here. They're almost identical twins. This went on backwards. Okay. Wait, 1 second. It just fell apart. A little bit of malfunctions here. Malfunctions. Okay, so here are the two in comparison. Okay, so this is the far out look view. I mean, I got them pretty nice. I got the little mountain of crackers, the little cracker, the 2 eyeballs, I mean, and the feet, the hands and all that, crackers, good, okay. Actually, this wiped away, I gotta add these little mountains here, okay. Just gotta add that for this, some depth. Oh no, his arm fell off. It's okay, Crispy. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this off of the tripod for one moment. So really fun. Okay, so yeah, these are the details up close. I have the little holes in there to simulate the crackers. And this is my favorite part of the whole creation, this cracker. Right here. I even have the holes. I even have the little crinkles, just like over here. So you guys should give me extra points for this awesome cracker. The eyes, I said, demon crispy crackers. I don't have any Play-Doh. And then the feet. Perfect. So rate me 1 to 10 in the comments down below. I think I deserve 10 out of 10. Or 8 out of 8, mate. Whatever you want. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. See you guys next time. Thumbs up this video for more Play-Doh challenges.